Hey, it's Brian over at Cross Country. Hope you're having a great week. Hey, I wanted to share some information about the best home loan available in the country, and it's only available to our veterans. So thank you to everybody that served. Our VA loan that is available to honorably discharged veterans and active duty servicemen and women is got to be the best loan available in the United States right now. There's a lot of misinformation about it. There's three things that I wanted to share with you. First off, the VA loan, it's literally zero money down. That means that you do not have to have a down payment. You can buy a home with $0. But that does not mean that there are not closing costs. So there are closing costs that you would have to pay for regardless. We just had a client this past weekend who was quote unquote approved for a mortgage, a VA mortgage, and they weren't told about the fact that they had to bring about $5,000 to closing. They thought because it was a zero down VA loan that they wouldn't have to bring any money. Now, we can help you structure the approval and help you negotiate the real estate contract so that happens. And that's the way that I prefer to do this. So if you are a veteran and you want to buy a home using a VA loan, we can absolutely help you buy the house with literally zero money out of pocket. And sometimes at closing, you are able to actually get a check back. So another myth is that there is, that VA loans have additional costs. What the cost is, it's called a funding fee. Now, VA loans do not have mortgage insurance, but they do have a funding fee. So the funding fee is like it's like a mortgage insurance premium that's paid at closing, and it's added to the loan amount. But if you are a service-connected disabled veteran, well then that funding fee is waived. A lot of people don't understand that until they're in the process, but I want you to understand that funding fee is waivable if you have a service-connected disability, and that there is no mortgage insurance on a VA loan. So as a monthly payment is concerned on a VA loan, you're going to pay principal, interest, taxes, and insurance only. You're not going to have to pay mortgage insurance like you would on a conventional loan or an FHA mortgage. And then the other thing I wanted to share is there's a lot of misinformation about how long it takes to close a VA loan. We've closed VA loans in as quickly as a week, like literally 7 days, but everything has to line up for us to make that happen. We typically say that we can close any mortgage within about 30 calendar days, so long as everybody cooperates, and that includes a VA loan. If there's anything that causes the delay today, it's going to be the appraisal process, and it's not just a VA appraisal, it's going to be an FHA or conventional appraisal as well, because there's just a ton of people in the mortgage market needing appraisals right now, and that's slowing that part of the process down. But basically, you can buy a house with zero money down. If we do the work up front and we understand what your goals are up front, we can help you negotiate real estate contracts so that you can buy the home with no money out of pocket at all. Next, there's no mortgage insurance, just the funding fee. And if you're a service-connected veteran, a disabled veteran, we can get that waived. And then third, it won't take any longer to close a VA loan than any other type of mortgage. So don't be afraid of that. If you guys have questions or know of anybody that is interested in talking about this or getting information, I'd be happy to help. Give me a call at 847-603-4778.